Are you trying to decide between wise agent and follow up boss? You're not alone. Many real estate agents face this choice. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you make the right decision. Both wise agent and follow up boss help agents manage contacts and automate tasks. They aim to make your job easier and keep you organized, but they have different features and strengths. Wise agent is known for its user friendly interface. It offers tools for managing leads, tracking transactions, and sending emails. It also has a calendar feature to help you schedule appointments. Many users appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. On the other hand, Follow Up Boss focuses on lead management. It integrates well with various lead sources. This tool helps you track where your leads come from and how to follow up effectively. It also offers robust reporting features which can help you analyze your performance. When we look at the key differences, Wise Agent is great for those who want a straightforward solution. Follow Up Boss is better for agents who deal with a lot of leads and need detailed tracking. In terms of features, Wise Agent includes a built-in website and email marketing tools. Follow Up Boss excels with its powerful integrations and automation options. If you like to customize your workflow, Follow Up Boss might be your best bet. Pricing can vary, but generally, Wise Agent tends to be more budget friendly. Follow Up Boss might cost a bit more, but it offers advanced features that some agents find worth the investment. So, who should choose what? If you are a new agent or prefer simplicity, go with Wise Agent. If you have a larger team or need in depth lead management, Follow Up Boss is likely the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.